Welcome to all our viewers. You're watching the Cricket Next YouTube channel. I'm here with a very interesting video for you guys. Ryan Tendiscote and Moni Mokkal are the two foreign coaches that are going to be pairing up with the Indian cricket team going ahead in their tenure. This is after quite a long time that India has had some foreign coaches in their dugout. India's history with the foreign coaches have been very up and down, very sweety and salty. बहुत मसाला भी रहा है, बहुत कुछ रहा है, काफी ups भी देखे हैं, लेकिन Indian cricket has also seen the worst of times with the foreign coach at the helm. We'll take you through all the foreign coaches that Indian cricket team have had. It will be a very quick recap कि फॉरेन कोचेस के साथ इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम मेंस टीम की हिस्ट्री कैसी रही है. We'll start with the first foreign coach that India had, and this was in the year 2000. John Wright was India's head coach. Former New Zealand cricketer है, a great scout. He is very good at scouting youngsters, young talents. With the Indian cricket team, he really did something that the Indian cricket team needed badly. At the turn of the century, Indian cricket team was in the mix of a match fixing scandal. बहुत वो tough time था Indian cricket team के लिए. He along with Saurav Ganguly brought Indian team back from all that, and India became a better touring side. Foreign जाके test matches India ने जीतने शुरू किए, and it was under his leadership, under his coaching, that India made it to the 2003 World Cup final in South Africa. So all in all, his tenure is something that the fans really remember in a good way. He really helped Indian team overcome that match fixing scandal and all that trauma, and then also took India to the World Cup final in 2003. In 2005, he said goodbye to the Indian cricket team and he decided to move on. अब 2005 में कौन आता है? This is where Indian cricket's one of the most darkest chapter begins. It is, as you can see on the screen, Greg Chappell along with Saurav Ganguly. This was a very tough time for the Indian cricket team. बहुत controversies हुई. This tenure was filled with controversies on the field, off the field, especially his run-in with the seniors in the team, be it especially Saurav Ganguly, the captain of the team, who was sacked and dropped, sacked from captaincy and dropped from the team suddenly out of nowhere, and it really created a lot of ruckus in the dressing room. And then India lost a test series going to Pakistan, और वहां से they went to South Africa. They won their maiden match in South Africa. अभी तक इंडिया साउथ अफ्रीका में कोई सीरीज नहीं जीती है, लेकिन अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ ग्रेग चैपल इंडिया एक मैच जरूर जीती है साउथ अफ्रीका में, और वो पहली बार था कि इंडिया साउथ अफ्रीका जाके एक टेस्ट मैच जीती हो. उसके बाद वो टेस्ट सीरीज हारे जरूर, 2-1 से टेस्ट सीरीज हारे जरूर. एंड द वर्स्ट टाइम केम इन द 2007 ODI वर्ल्ड कप, जब वो ग्रुप स्टेज से इंडिया बाहर हो गई थी बांग्लादेश से हारने के बाद. सो ऑल इन ऑल, under the coaching of Greg Chappell, Indian cricket has seen one of the most darkest days. All that drama, all that controversy, especially with Saurav Ganguly and how the seniors were being handled in the dressing room. It really, sort of created a lot of differences between the players. Even the fans were not trusting Greg Chappell enough. 2007 के वर्ल्ड कप एग्जिट के बाद Greg Chappell decided it's time to move on, but he really, under his coaching, there were a lot of superstars of the coming era who made their debut under the coaching of Greg Chappell. तो एक वो सिल्वर लाइनिंग जरूर है उनके कोचिंग में. यहाँ से हम मूव ऑन करेंगे जो तीसरे कोच है, and I'm pretty sure you all remember him in a very fond way. As you can see on your screen, Gary Kirsten, former South Africa cricketer, और ये फोटो बयान करती है गैरी कर्स्टन ने इंडिया के लिए क्या किया था. He won the ODI World Cup as a head coach of the Indian cricket team. Now, technically, जब 1983 में इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप जीती थी, there was not any official coach involved in with that team. उस टाइम पे कोई official coach involved नहीं था. So this makes Gary Kirsten the first official or full-time head coach to win an ODI World Cup with the Indian cricket team. First and the only so far. And his tenure was something that he would obviously personally says he cherished that those 4 to 5 years a lot. But from 2007 he got up with Mahendra Singh Dhoni. दोनों ने मिलके एक टीम बिल्ड करी for the 2011 World Cup. Both had a particular vision about the team. Obviously, he was appointed as a full-time coach in 2007 और 2011 में जब वर्ल्ड कप जीते, उन्होंने उस पीरियड में साउथ अफ्रीका और श्रीलंका में एक टेस्ट सीरीज भी ड्रू की, एशिया कप में भी फाइनल तक पहुंचे. So all in all, it was a very good tenure of Gary Kirsten. The Indian team was happy, the Indian fans were happy, and I think winning the World Cup was the final nail in the coffin, was a cherry on the cake for the Indian team, for the Indian fans, and for Gary Kirsten, because after that he said goodbye to the Indian team, and that was his last act as a head coach. That was when he decided, "Yaar, it's time, let's move on." And the last foreign coach that we have had अब तक, क्योंकि उसके बाद कोई फॉरेन कोच नहीं आया, इज द गाय ऑन योर स्क्रीन. हिज नेम इज डंकन फ्लेचर. Now Duncan Fletcher, again, a very mixed sort of a coaching tenure. The biggest, as you can see the image on your screen, 2013 Champions Trophy winner MS धोनी के साथ मिलकर उन्होंने चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी इंडिया को जिताई. आईसीसी ट्रॉफी, आईसीसी ट्रॉफी इन इस किटी, दिस सेज अ लॉट. बट देन एट द सेम टाइम जो सबसे बड़ा फॉर्मेट है, टेस्ट फॉर्मेट, दैट टुक अ बिग hit because India suffered a humiliating whitewash in England and Australia. और उसी टाइम पे इंग्लैंड से इंडिया घर में एक सीरीज आ रही थी 2012 में, 12-13 में, एंड दैट रिमेन्स द लास्ट सीरीज तब से लेके अब तक जब इंडिया जो होम सॉइल पे हारी हो. तो दैट टैग ऑफ लूजिंग अ होम टेस्ट सीरीज एंड बीइंग whitewashed in England and Australia really tells you a lot. उसके बाद इंडिया जाती है इंग्लैंड खेलने, वहां 3-1 से हारती है, जिसके बाद रवि शास्त्री को डायरेक्टर ऑफ क्रिकेट बना दिया जाता है, टीम डायरेक्टर बना दिया जाता है डंकन फ्लेचर के साथ काम करने के लिए. लेकिन 2015 वर्ल्ड कप सेमीफाइनल से जब इंडिया बाहर होती है, इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया का मैच सबको याद है, उस सेमीफाइनल के बाद डंकन फ्लेचर क्या करते हैं, वो स्टेप बैक कर लेते हैं, और तब से फिर वो रवि शास्त्री, अनिल कुंबले और वापस रवि शास्त्री, वो एरा शुरू होता है. बट दीज वर द 4 कोचेस दैट द इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम हैड, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम जॉन राइट टू ग्रेग चैपल to Gary Kirsten and then Duncan Fletcher at the end. अब देखना है मॉनी मॉकल हेड कोच नहीं है, हेड कोच अभी भी इंडियन ही है, गौतम गंभीर ही हेड कोच है, लेकिन मॉनी मॉकल जरूर है, रायन टेस्काटे जरूर है. ये कैसे हेल्प करेंगे इंडियन टीम को, अभी आने वाली सीरीज इंडिया वर्सेस बांग्लादेश टेस्ट सीरीज में थोड़ा और क्लियर हो जाएगा. तब तक के लिए आप बने रहिए क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट के साथ. ऐसी और वीडियोस आपके लिए आती रहेंगी, ऐसे और लुक बैक्स आपके लिए आते रहेंगे, अपडेट्स आपके लिए आते रहेंगे फ्रॉम एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू वर्ल्ड क्रिकेट. ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज सब्सक्राइब टू द यूट्यूब चैनल, क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow us across all our social media platforms. Until then, please take care of yourself and have an amazing day.